Okay, what's up everyone? I'm here for another quick unboxing. Just got the new Apple iPhone 13 Pro and I'm excited to show you guys this unboxing. Let's get into it. So here it is, looks pretty good right here, the back of the phone on the case. So this includes the iPhone and a USB-C to Lightning cable, power. Oh, of course the power adapter is sold separately and headphones sold separately. Alright. So here's this part. There it is, guys. Beautiful. I got this, I think it's still called Space Gray. These lenses look crazy. It's pretty clean back with no writing or anything. Here are the metallic edges, which I'm putting fingerprints all over already. You know, that's always satisfying. Here's the cable. Here's some paperwork. Sticker. So yeah, let's set this thing up. I'm just gonna go put my SIM card into. Okay, I use this little tool, got my SIM card in. Let's turn this baby on. I speak English, United States. Let's set it up manually. All right, I'll set this up later. Put in my passcode. I like starting off clean. So you enter your email. Enter your password. So I had enter a verification code. I read that really quick. So it looks like it transfers my wallet, which is pretty good. Okay, I usually put not now on these type of requests. Standard's fine. Alright, there was the setup. Cool. So I mean, this is just another iPhone. My old iPhone, I had the XS Max, and it wasn't charging through this insert anymore, and I had cracked it. And yeah, I was excited to get this upgrade and excited to play around with it and check out the new features. So there it is. Thanks for watching.